आई हैव रियलाइज दैट अगर कोई गलत जो होता है ना, तो कोई रीजन होता है, कोई अच्छा या बुरा, मतलब सब में सब चीजें हैं। बट आपका नजरिया क्या है, वो पर्सन अगर किसी तरह से बिहेव कर रहा है, अगर कोई चिल्ला रहा है तो क्यों चिल्ला रहा है वो समझना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हेन यू कैन हेल्प दैट पर्सन।
I feel like अब तो जो होना है होगा, people will respond to it like they want to, and the good and bad is both welcome. In fact, the idea of putting a piece of work out there is that people will respond to it in different ways. अरे हमको तो इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अब हमसे इंट्रोडक्शन मांग रहे हैं, जानते नहीं बीना भाभी को।
पढ़ाई में, दोस्ती में, और अब बंदूक में इंटरेस्ट है हमारा। देख लीजिएगा चुपचाप, वरना चीजें खतरनाक हो सकती हैं।
Hi everyone, welcome to Peeping Moon. I'm Rashita Sani and today welcoming Golu, Shweta Tripathi and Beena Rasika Tugal. Hi guys, welcome.
Thank you.
भाभी का प्रणाम।
Firstly, I would really like to ask you that there has been a crazy, as I already mentioned, fandom regarding the show. And firstly, tell me, how did Mirzapur change your life, considering that there are people who are actually waiting desperately to watch it? Yeah.
Really helped me access a wider audience. Before Mirzapur and before the work that I've done on streaming platforms, the films that I had done were largely independent films which had very limited releases. And I always felt that they were beautiful films, and I wish that they had been able to reach a wider audience, an audience that I felt they deserved. So with Mirzapur, I think this was the first time that I accessed a wider audience, and not just that, I'm also totally constantly amused and amazed and very grateful for the kind of following that the show has, because the fans seem to be really invested in it, and it's very nice to constantly have a bunch of people asking you when season 2 is coming, and as soon as something is put out about Mirzapur, there are memes and there are comments everywhere. So I think we have a really loyal and excited fan base, and it's lovely to interact with them.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, even the memes are going so viral. As soon as the trailer released, there were like so many memes. And Shweta, what about you?
Everything that word by word what Rasika said. And Mirzapur is the most commercial piece of work that I've done. By commercial, I mean again what she said, the reach, because I have been happily involved with a lot of independent projects, and I really enjoy doing them. Mirzapur I chose because I found the story very interesting, and I think when your reasons are right, when your priorities are right, when things that excite you are right, then वो अच्छा ही होगा, कितना ही गलत हो सकता है. So that this is just to prove that if you wait it out, if you're patient about it, then कहीं ना कहीं आपका टाइम लग सकता है, पर आपका नंबर जरूर आएगा. And Mirzapur has given me all of that now I realize जब जब लोगों की जो big releases होती हैं तो उनको कैसा feel होता है, because that's exactly how it makes me feel, and I'm very blessed and grateful, and I keep requesting them. I was hoping ये लॉकडाउन में ना रिलीज हो, क्योंकि मुझे ये सब करना था. मुझे रेडी होके इंटरव्यूज देने थे, मुझे अपने होर्डिंग्स देखने हैं, जो आई स्टिल डोंट नो हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं, बट मुझे तो इट मीन्स अ लॉट यार, बिकॉज यहाँ जब आपके पास जो बाकी आप जो काम करते हो, वो बजट जब इतना लिमिटेड होता है ना किसी चीज का, तो बहुत हाथ पैर मारने पड़ते हैं. एंड अभी इससे पहले कार्गो आई थी, तो वो यू हैव टू लेट पीपल नो दैट गाइस माय वर्क इज आउट, प्लीज वॉच, बिकॉज देयर सो मच लव एंड पैशन दैट गोज इनटू इट. दैट्स व्हाई यू वांट पीपल टू वॉच इट. अब पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. आपका काम है कि आप अच्छे से काम करो, और फिर आप वो गिफ्ट दे दो. अब वो तोहफा किसी को अच्छा लगेगा नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, वो तो आपका, खैर, मतलब योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज टू गिव इट योर बेस्ट. तो मिर्जापुर इज that thing which makes me smile and makes me smile really wide, and also not only because of the commercial aspect, but I just love and respect the cast and crew so much, because it's given me one of the most complex and most layered character, and I don't know if I'll get to be Golu soon or not, or if she survives or not. ये सब हम बाद में करेंगे.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Um, Also, all the characters in Mirzapur are very iconic. They have their own stand and say. But if I ask you two that आपके character को छोड़ के, if there was any one character that you would like to play, what would it be and why? Rasika?
Munna from season 1.
Munna,
very complex character, does a lot of very violent and undesirable things, but but here's a story, or here's a person who just wants to impress his father, and at the end of the day is an innocent child who wasn't given enough attention, possibly. So very complex character, and is living that duality. He wants a lot of love, but always ends up doing things which take it away from him rather than bring love to him, you know. So, and his manner of loving is also very different. So a very interesting and complex character, and I think Divyendu did a fantastic job, but I would have liked to try it too. So.
Okay, yeah. And Shweta, for you?
Munna, because looking at Mirzapur, looking at Munna and how things have been in the society now also, I have realized that अगर कोई गलत जो होता है ना, तो कोई रीजन होता है. कोई अच्छा या बुरा, मतलब सब में सब चीजें हैं, बट आपका नजरिया क्या है, वो पर्सन अगर किसी तरह से बिहेव कर रहा है, अगर कोई चिल्ला रहा है तो क्यों चिल्ला रहा है वो समझना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हेन यू कैन हेल्प दैट पर्सन. एंड लाइक रसिका सेड दैट मुन्ना जस्ट वांट्स टू इम्प्रेस हिज डैड. तो वो अगर थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट तो हम आज बबलू और स्वीटी हमारे साथ होते. तो बहुत, आई थिंक व्हेन पीपल वॉच मिर्जापुर, आई होप दे अंडरस्टैंड कि there are fun and games and lots of violence in Mirzapur, but there are beautiful relationships which are understood and misunderstood. So, and I think that's the beauty of Mirzapur.
Okay. And when fans are constantly, messaging and just showing so much love for the show, does it ever make you nervous, or is there any pressure that, the season is coming, what will happen now? Is there that kind of feeling anywhere?
Not for me, actually. I don't usually take stress about a project when it's releasing. All my nervousness and stress is reserved for the time that I'm shooting for the project. I feel like ab to jo hona hai hoga, people will respond to it like they want to. And the good and bad is both welcome. In fact, the idea of putting a piece of work out there is that people will respond to it in different ways. But from what I've seen of the Mirzapur fans, they already seem to be ready to love it, So, and I'm also very confident about season 2. I think season 2 is grander, bigger. The scale is bigger of season 2 than season 1. It's visualized in a very beautiful way. And also it's not lost its nuances, its details, like Shweta said, the relationships between characters at all. In fact, it's made them even more nuanced than they were in season 1, because we have the same directors and the same writer, and they were just so much more comfortable with the characters that they could play around with them in very interesting ways. So I'm very confident that season 2 is a very good show. And people are, anyway, from the way that they're responding online, are waiting to love it. I feel that's the sense I get from them. So I'm not nervous at all. I think it's all going to be good. In fact, I'm really looking forward to seeing how they respond to certain turning events. I think every scene is sort of a turning event in Mirzapur, but there are a few really big ones, which obviously we cannot talk about. I'm really waiting to see how they respond to some of them.
Okay. Yeah. And Shweta?
Pressure or stress से ज़्यादा excitement होता है, because you don't want to let them down, you don't want to let each other down as well. जब मैं dubbing के लिए जाती थी और जब मैं बाकियों के scenes देखती थी तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था, because everybody has hit it out of the park. Everybody is so good, and your heart feels happy, because then you feel कि सब we are there for each other. We've got each other's back. Even अगर चाहे वो show में ऐसा हो कि revenge लेना है और त्रिपाठियों से दूर रहना है, उनको खत्म कर देना है वगैरह वगैरह, But जब हम देखते हैं, when I see AKT or Bina and Munna, I am smiling and I feel like clapping when I watch their scenes because they are brilliant. They are brilliant. And मुझे बहुत सारा dubbing time देखने नहीं थे scenes because I want to enjoy it as a fan. I am a fan of मिर्जापुर. तो वो जो background score और color correction के बाद जो final product होता है ना, वो देखने में अलग मजा आता है. So because I'm also fan, I can say that we have we've given it everything that we had. We are very excited now. और ये हमारा हमने गिफ्ट को रैप वैप भी सब कुछ कर दिया है, टैग भी लगा दिया और बस अब तो ऑलमोस्ट 2 weeks है and we are excited to know and eager to know that कैसा लगा उनको.
And was there a difference in the approach towards your character between season 1 and 2, or was it the same?
I think in season 2, I just had so much more information about the character than I did in season 1. I'm not sure if that's always a good thing, because in season 1, I was able to play, to be Bina like I wanted to be, of course, with the vision of the writer and the director. But in season 2, I had so much information on what people thought about her, what they liked, what they didn't like, all of that. So I had to, in one sense, sort of keep that away from my mind while trying to be Bina again. So it was a different kind of experience in that sense. But it turned out pretty well. You know, I always say that it felt like meeting an old friend. You know, so you basically understand how they're hardwired, but they've had certain experiences, and because of which they've changed. Like for Bina, it was really how season 1 ends. Like she has been violated, she has been humiliated, she has been tormented, and it takes her a while before she finds herself again. And that journey is also something that was interesting to be on for me.
Okay. Shweta?
सीजन 1 और सीजन 2 मेरे लिए तो एकदम ही बहुत ही ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज सीजन 1 की जो गोलू थी, जो बहुत ही खुश थी अपनी पढ़ाई से, अपने किताबों से, अपने आलू पैटीज से, लाइफ वाज गोइंग हाउ शी वांटेड इट टू बी, एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ सीजन 1 एंड्स, दैट जस्ट चेंजेस एवरीथिंग. So she was made to challenge her own beliefs, and that is because two people that she loved the most were brutally taken away from her. तो जब किसी पर्सन को आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में डाल देते हो जहाँ पे लिटरली डू और डाई है, तो यू विल डू, because it is about survival of the fittest. So in season 2 there are things that Golu is doing which Golu season 1 wouldn't approve of and she wouldn't be happy about it. But then भाई ये गलती किसकी है? गोलू की गलती है कि मुन्ना की गलती है? Who has made her, या फिर AKT की गलती है जिन्होंने मुन्ना को अटेंशन और प्यार नहीं दिया और इसलिए ये हुआ? So I think it's very important to understand that you are responsible not only for yourself but for people around you. For even it starts from your home and then it moves on to your society and then to your country and to the entire world. तो वो realizations बहुत सारे हुए, काफी मुश्किल था, but मजा भी उतना ही आया.
Okay. And the web space is doing so good, especially now. It was, of course, flourishing even before that. But do you think that the digital space is now the new ball game?
I think it's been like this for a while. It's not new anymore. I mean, but what I'm happy to see is that it's already 3-4 years old in terms of being a booming business. And what's exciting for me to see is that it seems to have retained the things that I thought was a big boon for an actor. Because I feel like the idea that it's more about the content than about the numbers is great for actors like us. The idea that it's encouraging, it's actively encouraging variety and content which is non-formulaic, which is breaking formula. That's very exciting for an actor like me. And it's also exciting that it remains a very competitive space in a healthy way, where constantly with new projects, new talent is introduced. Whether it's writers, directors, or actors. So I think it's great that it started off like this, and it has remained like that so far in the last 3-4 years, and I hope it continues to.
Okay. Shweta, what about you?
OTT online is a very exciting place, and I think right now it's a very exciting time to be a part of the industry and also to be an audience, because there is so much good content out there, and there is enough sun for all of us to bask in. So I think it's nice the kind of stories that are coming out. You have a Made in Heaven, you have a Patal Lok also. तो आपको जिस हिसाब से जो देखना है, आपके मेन्यू हर चीज का है. एंड वो क्योंकि मेन्यू हर चीज का, इवन अस एज एक्टर्स वी कैन चूज व्हाट वी वांट टू. एंड पहले आई थिंक मे बी बहुत वेट, आई कैन इमेजिन कि अगर हम 90s में आते तो हम क्या टाइप का काम करते. It is OTT which has given us a platform to not only showcase our talent to, but to enjoy the craft as well. And वो pressure of box office तो खैर मतलब I don't even know, वो बहुत ही खतरनाक लगता है सुन के मुझे तो. बट आई थिंक दोनों के अपने अपने प्रोज होते हैं. जो बड़े स्क्रीन की जो फील होती है, I definitely miss that. I can't wait to get back into a cinema hall and watch as an audience, and also do films which will be showcased in a theater hall. But हाँ, मतलब दोनों के अपने अपने मजे हैं. I think I am the very greedy as an actor. तो मुझे तो रेडियो प्लेस भी करने हैं, मुझे स्टेज पे भी होना है, मुझे शॉर्ट फिल्म भी करनी है, एड्स भी करनी है. तो जहाँ कहानी अच्छी होगी, जहाँ कंटेंट अच्छा होगा, my hope will be that I am there somehow in whatever capacity.
So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much, Rasika and Shweta, for joining this interview. It was
Thank you.
all the
Thank
very
you.
best for the show.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.